Welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I will be focusing on business owners, small businesses, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and gig workers that are looking for platforms to receive payment from their clients and grow their businesses. So this video is for you. So this is a step-by-step guide for business owners on how to create your store and also activate your virtual terminal POS to start receiving payments immediately. On your dashboard menu, scroll down to where you have store POS. You select that and scroll down to add a new store. Click on that. You will be navigated to this page where you set up your new store. Fill up the necessary details regarding your store and proceed to the next page. Click on next. For this page, you fill up your email address. If you have a supporting email, you add it here. Your business address, a telephone number if you have a business telephone number, your website link or your mobile application link. Then you click on next to proceed. This page, you select your shopping cart, your business shopping cart. If you have any special instructions, you can add it here. Then you click on submit. So it states here your store was successfully created and is ready to use. So the next step is to add your staff and add integration. Let's add our staff. So here we have one staff member already. Click on add team member. So it can be a staff or a manager. Add their email address and click on add, and that's it. You successfully add a team member to your store. The next step is to add your integration. So to add that, you click on add store integration. To shorten this video, we have a step-by-step guide on how to go about the whole process and integrate your store to BananaCrystal platform. So check our FAQ page on how to integrate your store and follow the prompt and fill up this page and click on submit, and that is it, guys. And that's basically it on how to set up your store on BananaCrystal. So first of all, you create an account. The second step is to add your staff and ensure that your staff members have a BananaCrystal account. If not, you won't be able to add them as staff on the platform. Then the third option is to integrate your shopping site or shopping link or shopping account to BananaCrystal, and with just few clicks you'll be able to get that done and start receiving payments immediately. And that's how you set up your store on BananaCrystal platform and start receiving payments. Thank you for watching. Bye.